The next thing that you should do is create thumbnails for your videos. First, go to Video Manager on your channel. Select the video that you want a thumbnail to be created. Once you've selected, click on Edit. By default, YouTube shows 3 thumbnails where you can select one, then click on Save Changes. But you can also select Custom Thumbnail where you can create a more striking thumbnail. In every video, always put your title and the description. And one important thing is to put all the tags for that particular video. The more relevant tags you have, the more it can help you rank inside YouTube. For the tags, I'll discuss that more in the next videos. In the previous video, we have discussed the first stage process of optimizing and ranking any video, and that is Keyword Planner. In this video, we're going to talk about the second one, which is creating native content. The more native content you have, the more authentic your video is, and the higher ranking you will have. As a newbie in video marketing, you cannot have fresh content all the time. That's totally fine, but always find a way to put something original. Also, never copy a lot of videos from one source or one YouTube channel. You could always derive content from 5 or more different sources and mix them up with your own touch. You have to be careful because a lot of YouTube channels have been shut down because of copyright and duplicate content violation. For example, you type "make money online." You'll see 200 videos which gives the same information again and again. Guess what? YouTube hates that. Why? Because YouTube is predominantly a search engine. The difference between Google and YouTube is that people go to Google to search for information, while they go to YouTube mostly for entertainment or to find solutions to their problem. So YouTube wants content which either entertains or solves problems. Once again, try to have as much native content as possible for your videos. I hope this has helped. See you in the next video. In this video, we're going to talk about the exact blueprint of a YouTube channel. In other words, we're going to discuss the elements you need to have inside your channel to instantly brand yourself online and start getting razor-targeted leads almost immediately. Because of these techniques, you're going to be differentiated from other online marketers out there. Majority of them haven't heard about these things, so know that you are so lucky to be watching this training. As I've said on the previous video, I made several channels for different purposes, but of course, you can merge all of them in one channel. That's pretty much your choice. First thing that you should do when creating your YouTube channel is to make a good channel art. This is the first thing that your viewers will see, so make it an eye-catcher to grab their attention at once. You should also put a link to the channel which can lead to your lead capture page when they click it. This is for you to immediately get traffic as well. In my case, I've linked my own website over there. Next is, you have to have a welcome video of your channel. This is like building rapport with your audience. They will have a basic background about the channel and a connection to you as well. It is highly recommended to have this. You should also have a channel description, which they can view in the About button. You could just write a brief description like 2 to 3 lines. This is for them to have a general view of your channel and know what kind of videos to expect. This will also help you rank in Google. Another thing that you should have is a playlist. All similar videos should be grouped together. You just need to go to Playlist and click Create New Playlist. Your playlists are very important for your viewers because they can easily access similar videos. Searching is made easier for them. Creating playlists also helps you to rank on YouTube and other search engines like Yahoo and Google. The next thing that you should do is create thumbnails for your videos. First, go to Video Manager on your channel. Select the video that you want a thumbnail to be created. Once you've selected, click on Edit. By default, YouTube shows 3 thumbnails where you can select one, then click on Save Changes. But you can also select Custom Thumbnail where you can create a more striking thumbnail. In every video, always put your title and the description. And one important thing is to put all the tags for that particular video. The more relevant tags you have, the more it can help you rank inside YouTube. For the tags, I'll discuss that more in the next videos. Let's move on to annotations. This helps you navigate your visitors in between videos and catch their attention immediately so they can subscribe. And most importantly, this helps capture leads. To create annotations, I'll give you a quick demo. First, go to Video Manager and select a video, then click Edit. After that, click on Annotations. The video will show up, and you can see some options on the right side of the video. You can either select Add Annotation, or if you've already done something before, click on Edit Existing Annotation. In our case, let's select Add Annotation. Once you've done that, you'll see different options like Speech Bubble, Note, Title, Spotlight, and Label. Let's choose Speech Bubble for this demo. And let's type "click here to grab your free report." You can customize the font, size, and you can position it on the screen. You should also put the start and end time. Another thing is you can link this video to another video or website. In my case, I'll just choose the associated website link so I can grab a list. Just type the website on the box, and let's click on the preview link to check whether it really goes to the website you just linked. Now, you may be asking, how do I associate my channel to my website? It's very simple. Just click Channel and then Advanced Buttons on your page. Then, go to Associated Websites. Type your website in the box provided, then click Add. This is for Google and YouTube to verify that the website you indicate there is actually yours. Then, click on Verify. They will then show you the recommended and alternate methods to proceed with the verification process. Just choose one and you are good to go. Another important thing to brand yourself online is creating your own logo. This helps make your videos more professional looking. The logo also brands you as an online marketer. When viewers click your logo on your video, they are automatically subscribed to your channel, which is another advantage. To create a logo, go to Channel and click on Branding. You're going to upload your logo here. If you want to have music for your videos, just go to Create and then Audio Library. Choose Free Music so that we don't violate the copyrights of other music and to make your channel absolutely secured. This is how to protect your comments from trash traffic which can affect your ranking. First, go to Channel, then Upload Defaults. Once you're there, go to Comments and Ratings, and choose Approved. This is to secure good comments and prevent unnecessary comments before they appear on your page. The last thing that you should do is to have a backup of all your videos. To do so, let's go to www.takeout.google.com/settings/takeout/custom/YouTube. Just select the specific data you want to back up and click on Next, and all the data will be backed up and sent to your Gmail. Congratulations, you've just seen the methods and elements to help you brand yourself as a professional online marketer. I hope you apply all. See you in the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about the big daddy of video marketing, which is YouTube. We'll also see how you can leverage the power of YouTube and how you can position yourself as an online authority who starts getting targeted leads and sales. First, let's talk about the advantages of YouTube. Number one, it is accessible to unlimited pool of targeted leads, as YouTube is the most searched video site today. YouTube is actually the third most searched website in the world and is the second largest search engine after Google. In the coming years, it is possible to take over the place of Google. So imagine the potential power when you put your videos here and get free traffic and leads to your offer. Next, it is super easy to organize the videos through playlist option, making them more searchable. Another advantage is it's easy to upload, search, and share the videos on YouTube. It is very user-friendly that even young ones can use it easily. Fourth advantage, YouTube advertisement is targeted as well as cheap, making it an obvious advertising choice. Next, with more than 6 billion hours of videos being watched every month, YouTube absolutely dominates the video market. Furthermore, YouTube is the single most important and preferred choice of hosting and sharing videos among internet marketers. It's easy, effective, and free. Your videos are safe and can be accessed around the world. Now, one of the most effective ways of hosting and sharing your videos is via your own YouTube channel. In the chapters ahead, we'll see the exact steps of opening and operating a YouTube channel. YouTube channel helps you brand yourself and organize videos under one roof. It gives you a wide array of free customizable options like custom thumbnail, subtitles, and CC, logo, etc. Another advantage is live channel stats can help you monitor and analyze your channel and video performances. In your screen, you can see my graph and data. This is how you monitor your channel performance. Some people prefer to have several channels for different purposes, like coaching, product launches, and affiliate offers. On the other hand, some marketers just use one channel for everything they do, and that is totally fine. Let's take this YouTube channel, for example, and let's go to the analytics. Here, you can see how many views you've got, average view duration, number of likes and dislikes, and your top videos. In addition, you can also see the demographical data and the countries where you got the most views. Another important thing that you can see in the analytics is the traffic sources. In this example, our videos are mostly viewed via external sources and YouTube advertising. With these features on YouTube, you can see how your videos are really doing. I'll see you on the next video. In this video, we're going to talk about the 4-stage process of optimizing and ranking any video inside YouTube. Once you follow this, you can beat any video or video marketer out there who are already ranking high for years. The first stage is keyword research. You have to put the exact tags or description for your videos. Next is creating native content. Then, on-page optimization and off-page optimization. For our first stage, which is keyword research, let's go to Google first. Let's type in Google Keyword Planner and click on Google AdWords, Google Planner. Once you are there, it will ask you to sign in. You don't need to create a new account since you will sign in using your Gmail account. When you've signed in, click on Tools on the upper corner of the page and click on Keyword Planner. When the page has loaded, you have to select Search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category. So here, you are going to fill in some information. Let's proceed with an example. I want to type how to make money online as my product or service and leave the other information as is. After doing that, click on Get Ideas. Google will now then pull all related ideas and relevant keywords for you. Click on Keyword Ideas. This is going to guide you on the exact keywords people type on a monthly basis. On this example, 22,000 people searched ways to make money online, while 5,400 typed make money online free. The highest searched is make money online, with 135,000 people who searched about it. It is so easy to use, and the great thing is you can just copy them and use them as your tags for your videos. You should also be using 1 or 2 keywords on your headline. This also helps a lot in your ranking. By doing so, you can be ranked high inside YouTube's search engine. Another way is to go to Google again. Let's type CPA marketing. When you go to the bottom of the page, you can see searches related to CPA marketing. These keywords are highly searched by people as well, so you can use them for your tags too. So that's how you find great tags for your videos in order to get maximum exposure or good rankings in YouTube. I'll show you a quick demo on how to do this completely. First, let's go to my YouTube channel account. Go to Video Manager and choose a video you want. Go to the basic info of the video and edit the tags, which is at the bottom of the page. You just paste the keywords that you have copied and you are done. I hope you enjoyed what you've learned, and I'll see you in the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about the structure of your videos. First, you have to capture your audience's attention by stating who you are with a high energy level. Some marketers say, "Hey, hey, hey," in a loud manner, or in my case, I clap my hands strongly. These can draw the attention of your audience immediately to you. The next part is to deliver the content of your video. You tell them what your video is all about. You can also tell the benefit of this video to your audience and then talk about the steps. This is very useful, especially when you are demonstrating a product. The third part is the most important part, which is the call to action. You can tell them to subscribe to your channel, click on a link in the comments section, or click on an annotation. You could send them to your affiliate offer or lead capture page through those links. This is where 90% of marketers lose it, because they have great introduction and content, but there's no call to action. If you don't make your audience do an immediate response, then nothing will happen. You just wasted your effort, and that is the opposite of what you want. Again, you have to have these 3 parts to be successful in video marketing. See you in the next video.